In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own logo for free within minutes. Hi, this is Anand from designtheway.com and welcome to my channel where I teach non-coders how to create beautiful websites using WordPress. So let's get started. Before we start creating our logo, we must know what types of logo we can actually create. There are different types of logo, but primarily we can divide them in three categories, like text-based logo, like for example Google, icon or symbolic logos like Apple, and icon and text-based logo like Puma. The logo maker we are going to use here is probably not suitable for creating symbolic logos. So keeping that in mind, let's start creating our logo. To do that, we'll go to ucraft.com/free logo maker. I'll add the link in the description below. Now let's click on create logo. It will take us to this online logo maker application. Now here I will create an imaginary restaurant company logo. So let's first start by typing the company name. To do that, click on the text button here and start typing the company name. Let's say the company name is My Grill Kitchen. Now click anywhere and now you can drag and drop the text like this. Now I will add an icon for my logo. To do that, click on this icon button. Here you will find a whole list of icons. You can scroll through, find your suitable icon, or you can directly search over here. Since I'm creating a logo for a restaurant company, I will search icons related to grill. Let's type grill over here and it will show all the related icons. I like this icon. Let's click and it will be added to my workspace. Let's simply drag it over here. Now to change the color of this icon, simply click on colors here and you can change the color from here. I like this one. Now let's add a catchy tagline for our restaurant. Let's click the text button again. I would type something like, let's eat something delicious. Click somewhere outside and let's drag it over here. You can change the font size from here. Now if you want to change the font family of your text, simply click on the text and you can change the font from the list available here. If you want to add new fonts, simply click on add new fonts. It will open up the Google Fonts library and you can add whichever font you want. I think I like this font. Let's click on this plus icon and the font will be added to my list. Now let's close this window. Now again select the text and let's choose this font from the list and the font will be changed. Now to change the color of the text, click on colors here and you can change the color from here. Let's change the icon position a bit. So far we have created a very standard logo. Now let's make it a bit more unique for us. To do that, I will add some space over here. Now I will place the icon over here. Let's resize the icon a bit. I think this size is better. From here you can arrange the layers. I will place the text layer behind, so I will click over here. Now I can select the icon easily. And now let's reduce the space. I think it looks better. And let's adjust the position of the icon. Select it and you can use your arrow keys as well to position it. And now let's place our tagline to the right hand side and let's resize the text a bit. I think this size looks good. Now to check how the logo would look, click on this preview button. It will show how your logo would look on different mediums like visiting card, tablet, and even on t-shirts. Our logo looks really beautiful. To download, click on My Logos. Now to download your logo, you need to create an account. Don't worry, it's a free account. You can either create your account with Facebook or Gmail, or you can simply sign up over here. I will click on sign up and let's quickly fill up the details and click sign up. And now it will open the My Logos pop-up. Here you will find all your logos. Now to download the logo, simply come here and click on this download button. Now it will show you two options. You can download this logo for free, which will have 600 width in PNG format. I think that will be good enough for most of the websites. But if you want a high resolution SVG logo, you can always purchase it. But here we'll use the free one. So let's click on download. There it is. Our logo is downloaded. Click on it. There you have it. We have a transparent PNG logo in a decent size that we can use anywhere we want. Now to edit the logo again, simply click on My Logos. It will open up the My Logos pop-up. And simply go to your logo and click on this edit button and start editing your logo. With little bit of creativity, you can create amazing logos like these with this beautiful application. So this is how simply you can create your own logo. But keep in mind, these online logo tools are by no means a replacement to professional logo services. If you want a customized logo, you can hire a designer at fiverr.com at very reasonable price. I'll add the link in the description below. This is it for this video. I hope now you can create your own beautiful logos. If you like the video, please do subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Thanks for your time. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.